Hello, everyone. Welcome to Japan Travel and Photography Vlog Series. In this episode, we are traveling to Osaka and Hiroshima. You are with Sonia Photography Channel. We stayed at APA Hotel Shin Osaka Ekimai. Located near Shin Osaka Station, this modern and stylish hotel offers convenience and comfort for all types of travelers. Today, we're taking you on a whirlwind tour of the iconic Dotonbori area in Osaka, Japan. Known for its vibrant atmosphere, delicious street food, and dazzling neon lights. Dotonbori is famous for Glico Running Man sign. This iconic landmark has become synonymous with Osaka. It's a must-see symbol of the area, standing tall over the canal. Dotonbori Canal Cruise has been an incredible journey through the heart and soul of Osaka. It offers tourists alike a charming way to explore this vibrant city. There it is. Feast your eyes on the colossal crab sign. With its vibrant colors and intricate details, this sign is hard to miss. Standing at approximately 10 meters tall, the crab's legs stretch out, welcoming visitors to indulge in Dotonbori's Kani Doraku Crab Restaurant. Dotonbori is famous from takoyaki to okonomiyaki. The streets here are lined with an endless array of delicious treats. The takoyaki here is absolutely divine, with its crispy exterior and gooey octopus filling. And don't miss the okonomiyaki, a savory pancake topped with a medley of ingredients. Kushikatsu Daruma is a famous restaurant for inexpensive deep-fried crispy meat or vegetable skewers. Showa Taishu Horomon, a beloved local spot that has been serving up traditional Japanese charcoal grilled beef for decades. This is Kinryu Ramen, one of the Dotonbori's legendary ramen joint. Adjacent to Dotonbori is the famous Shinsaibashi shopping street. This bustling promenade offers a shopper's paradise, with an array of stores ranging from high-end boutiques to quirky Japanese specialty shops. Welcome to one of the Osaka's busiest streets. You can experience an epic culinary journey through Dotonbori, where every bite tells a delicious story. Let's dive right in and savor the vibrant street food scene that makes this place truly unforgettable. Hiroshima, a city that bears the scars of the past but shines with a message of peace. Today, we stand before the iconic Hiroshima Peace Monument, a powerful symbol of hope and remembrance. One of the most iconic symbols of Hiroshima's resilience is the bomb dome, the skeletal remains of the former Industrial Promotion Hall, which stood near the hypocenter of the explosion. This haunting structure serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of nuclear weapons, but also as a symbol of the city's commitment to peace and the abolition of nuclear weapons. The Memorial Tower for Mobilized Students stands as a solemn reminder of the devastating impact the atomic bomb had on the city's youth. This memorial specifically honors the students who were mobilized to support the war effort during World War II and tragically lost their lives in the atomic bomb blast. One of the most poignant and heartwarming aspects of the park is the Children's Peace Monument. This monument is dedicated to Sadako Sasaki, a young girl who died from radiation-related illnesses years after the bombing. Her story inspired a movement of hope and a desire for a peaceful world. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, a powerful symbol of hope and a reminder of the devastating consequences of war. This park was established to commemorate the victims of the atomic bombing of Hiroshima during World War II. It stands as a plea for peace and nuclear disarmament. Peace Memorial Museum, which offers a comprehensive view of the atomic bomb's impact on Hiroshima and its aftermath. Our starting point is Miyajima-guchi Station, located just a short distance from Hiroshima. This station is our gateway to the mesmerizing island of Miyajima. The ferry runs regularly throughout the day, so we have plenty of options for departure. As we sail across the Seto Inland Sea, we're treated to breathtaking views of the surrounding islands and the majestic mountains in the distance. Let's find a comfortable spot on the ferry and take in the beauty of our surroundings. After a short but delightful journey, we can see Miyajima Island coming into view. The first thing that catches our eye is the iconic Torii Gate, standing majestically in the water. This gate, known as Itsukushima Shrine's Grand Torii, is one of Japan's most recognizable landmarks. Get ready for an unforgettable sight. Itsukushima Shrine, also known as Miyajima Shrine, is a Shinto shrine located on the island of Itsukushima, which is in Hiroshima Prefecture, Japan. It is one of the country's most famous and iconic landmarks and has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The shrine complex itself is built mainly in a pier-like structure over the Seto Inland Sea, allowing it to coexist with the natural surroundings. It is dedicated to the three daughters of the Shinto deity Susanoo no Mikoto, who is associated with seas and storms. The island of Miyajima itself is a popular tourist destination known for its beautiful scenery, including lush forests, mountains, and the famous Torii Gate. Visitors can explore the shrine grounds, take in the panoramic views from Mount Misen, visit the deer park, and enjoy traditional Japanese cuisine in the local restaurants. Hiroshima Castle, also known as Hiroshima-jo, is a historic castle located in Hiroshima City. The castle is situated in a spacious park known as Hiroshima Castle Park, which is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. The park features cherry blossom trees, green spaces, and a moat that surrounds the castle. Hiroshima Castle was originally built in the late 16th century by the feudal lord Mori Terumoto. It served as the residence and military base for the powerful Mori clan. The castle played a significant role in the history of Hiroshima during the feudal era. The castle's main keep, known as the Tenshu, was a 6-story structure made of wood and stone. It featured a unique architectural style known as Hirairu, characterized by a flat roof with a low slope. The exterior of the castle was adorned with intricate woodwork and decorative elements. We are at Kansai Airport and about to end our Japan travel and photography vlog series. Kansai International Airport is located on an artificial island in Osaka Bay, Japan. We are waiting for China Airline flight to Sydney via Taipei. Thanks for watching the video. If you are a newcomer, subscribe the channel and click bell icon for new videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the description. Coming up next, Sydney Vivid Light Show 2023.